Differentiating inverse trigonometric functions. Alright, so we have these trig functions over here, and we're going to find the inverse of them. Or, I'll tell you the inverse. So, the inverse of the derivative of sine is u, when you use u prime over the square root of 1 minus u squared. And for cosine, all we're doing is changing the signs of u prime. So negative u over the square root of 1 minus u squared. For secant and cosecant, it's u prime. U prime is always on top, and it's negative based on if it's secant, sine, secant, tangent, or cosine, cosecant, and cotangent. So secant is u prime. The derivative, the inverse trig derivative of secant is u prime over the absolute value of u times the square root of u squared minus 1. And it's the opposite. Well, switch signs, right, cosecant. So that's the opposite value of u times u squared minus 1. For tangent and cotangent, it is u prime over 1 plus u squared. That's it. And change the sign. 1 plus u squared. Yeah. Let's go into some practice. Alright, we're going to have two problems. And we're going to solve them. Alright, here are two problems I have, 1 and 2. And we're going to solve them. So this is sine. Oh, yeah, there. Alright, let's move this over here so you can see it. And let's solve these. Alright, so number 1 is sine, and the argument is 5x. So u is 5x, so it would be u prime, which is 5, over the square root of 1 minus u squared, which is 5 squared, which is 25x squared. Number 2 is cosecant. Cosecant is over here. So it'd be negative u prime, which is 20x4 over the absolute value of 4x5, just normal u, times the square root of u squared, which is 16x10 minus 1. And you can simplify that down to negative 5 over the absolute value of x times the square root of 16x10 minus 1.